Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. It's Steve, the owner, and today I'm really excited to present this 2013 Hyundai Genesis R-Spec with the V8. Only 33,300 local kilometers, no accidents. Wow, it's a nice car. So if you're out looking for a BMW 7 Series, a Mercedes S-Class, maybe a Chrysler 300, a full-size vehicle with all the luxury and all the comfort, you don't have to go any further. This 2013 Hyundai, as you can see, it's a 5-liter R-Spec. And one of my favorite things is those dual chrome exhaust. That's a V8 with 492 horsepower. Standard features on this Genesis include 19-inch factory aluminum wheels and a power sunroof. And if you look at the car, there's not a mark on it. Like I said, local car, only 33,000 kilometers. No accidents. Full mechanical inspection. Very few manufacturers still make a vehicle where you can put 5, 6, 7 sets of golf clubs. Well, you know what? This Hyundai Genesis, you got room. I mean, lots of room. Wow, do the passengers ever get to ride in style? Check out those leather seats in the back of this Genesis. It's really nice. You've got power and passenger leather heated seats with lumbar support. You get memory seats with a rear power shade. You know, Hyundai knocked it out of the park. I really feel like I'm sitting in a $100,000 European luxury sedan. You've got features like lane departure warning system. You've got adaptive cruise control. You've got Bluetooth hands-free for incoming and outgoing calls. Look at the gauges, like right out of a Lexus. Navigation. You've got backup camera. You've got your CD changer there, and then controls. Very similar to the BMW iDrive. Heated, cool seats. Wow, you really have to sit in this car and say, how can I get that much luxury at such a low price? And again, sorry, I said 32,515 kilometers. Local car, no accidents. If you're gonna come down and test drive this car, bring your favorite CD or flash drive. If you've got some music on your phone, you really got to try out these Lexicon speakers. It's amazing. It sounds great. You've got a power telescoping steering wheel, and there's your heated steering wheel control. All at the touch, easy to reach, easy to get to. So here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we're a husband and wife team. You can come down and see Michelle. She's got multiple years of experience with finance, especially helping people with BRUISED credit. We do offer low rates and extended terms, and here's a good example. Sale price $21,877. If you got $2,000 down or an equivalent trade-in, you get a bi-weekly payment of $160 every 2 weeks. You get all this for only that. Only at Miracle Truck and Car Company. So you don't want to go out and look at cars because it's raining or it's snowing or it's wet out. You know what? No worries. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this Genesis. We'll back it into our indoor heated showroom. You can grab a coffee, relax in our lounge, and look at whatever vehicle you're looking at in the comfort and under the lights of our indoor showroom. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we understand a lot of people don't like to go into dealerships. A lot of times they'll go after hours to look at the vehicle they're interested in. That's not our goal. Our goal is to provide you a professional and comfortable environment. We'll appraise your trade-in, we'll get you a payment, we'll get you approved, and the whole time you can deal with one or both of the owners. You know what, if you want to get to know us, go to miracleauto.ca. You can check out some of our Google reviews. See the difference here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. We're located in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. There's Miracle Truck and Car Company. There's our front door on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway. And we're about 4 minutes down the road from Goats on the Roof, heading towards Port Alberni, Tofino, in the Coombs Country Junction. So as you pull into the junction, just keep your eyes to the left. You'll see the Miracle Truck and Car Company flags and our wonderful indoor showroom. And if you're coming up Highway 4, you won't miss the outdoor display. You'll see more great cars, all from Miracle Truck and Car Company. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.